Okay, so we had a long day of shopping. Wait, let me see back. We had a long day. I didn't put the car in park. I always do that. We had a long day of shopping at Target. And
Yes.
working. We both went to work today and then like spent lots of money. And we went back into Target like several times.
No,
like
we
some,
really did though.
No, like some creeps. Actually, she wanted to go use the bathroom. And while she was in to use the bathroom, I wanted to go buy more stuff. Like a jerk. So now we have stopped at McDonald's. We were starving. Worked with such an appetite. We haven't eaten all day. Alright, so this is what we're gonna eat.
So we have some fries.
Let's get those nice and close. Oh yeah, baby.
We got the famous Big Mac. This one's yours.
Alright, thank you. Let's say, oh, look at that Big Macian. We could call this Machiavelli. Delish. Oh, we didn't buy sanitizer. Oh, gross. Did she put sweet and sour just in the bag?
Yes.
I'm about to say, get it together, girl. Okay.
So I have a really messy one because I put the extra sauce.
Wait, let's get you in here more.
They put extra sauce out. Yes, they did.
Oh, damn, I should have got extra sauce. Alright. I feel like you should have bought a hand sanitizer. Oh, I have. Do you want?
I washed my hands. I washed them.
Well, I didn't have the same opportunities that Miss.
Oh.
It's the Gina and Vanessa show. This is my neat hand sanitizer that sprays. It is so clutch. Sorry guys, can't buy that anywhere. That's for my job. I won't tell you where I work because I don't want to get fired for saying anything crazy.
Yeah, no, can't do that.
Can't do that. Can't to know where we work. Alright, so here goes nothing because I'm fucking starving. Sorry, I said I was going to stop cursing in these videos, but if you guys come to know me, you'll know that it's not going to happen. Alright, you ready?
You gotta get the extra sauce. Look at that.
That's quite possibly what I did wrong here. I wasn't extra sauce in it.
Holy shit. That's great. So good. So, let's talk about how hot Target is.
Target was like a fucking sweatshop.
Yeah. For what?
It's like, it's almost as if they didn't want you to be there.
Yeah.
I don't know how their employees were working under those horrible conditions. I would have walked out. I would be like, I'm sorry guys, my asthma's acting up. It's time for me to exit.
Yeah. That looks great. These are hot. Nice and hot.
I should have got the extra sauce. Don't forget to dip those.
I know. Some people make noises. I don't know if we should do that. So good. This would make me hungry if I was watching it right now.
I'm hungry.
This reminds me when we went to the pool.
The pool? Where we eat? Where did we eat?
Yes.
You did?
You went to the Williamsbridge one, and then I don't like that one, so you came here for me.
Okay. She's the one that can recall the memories, and I'm the one that's never gonna remember anything. There'll be videos that we make that I won't remember. You'll see it as time goes on. I have what's called
adult ADHD. I can't remember shit. But that's okay.
Okay.
That's what you have friends for.
Mm-hmm.
They remember everything for you and you're just like, what?
Yeah.
Was I there?
Like what? Did we even do that?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Man down.
We're on that bite status.
I feel like these don't last long. It goes way too fast.
Either that or we're not breathing.
Mm-hmm.
Which is probably true.
At least it's fresh.
This is a good McDonald's.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I eat like an animal. I put a napkin on my leg because I knew myself, and look, I got nothing on my pants. Very proud of that. Next time, getting extra sauce though. I'm jealous. Okay. Now, don't judge me, right? You see this here? Let's pull this aside for a second. I said don't judge me. I'm not fucking playing with you. Alright. Oh no.
What?
I don't even have it.
What?
Damn. I must have eaten it. I usually keep sweet and sour sauce in here.
Really?
Yeah. I have mayo in there right now if we needed mayo. For anything. But we don't. Is there any ketchup in the bag?
No.
What?
I don't know why they do that. You always gotta put ketchup.
Alright. Well, that's fucked up.
These are mine too. Those are yours. 5. You're 5. I said yours 5. Mm-hmm.
Respect the drip.
Yep.
Can you hear the crunch? I wonder.
So they could comment. So you guys put what's your favorite thing from McDonald's? What do you normally get?
What do you like to get? Because I was going to get a fish sandwich, but I decided against it. I didn't think it would be a viewer fee, but I love fish fillet.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What else do you like? I really like
Their chicken tenders are good.
the chicken tenders are really good. I want to try those honey barbecue ones. They look amazing.
Oh no! Oh! Oh my god, wait. I got it. I saved it. Those are your nugs. I saved her nugs.
What the fuck just happened?
I don't know. That was successful though. They made it.
Alright, so I want to dedicate this mukbang.
So,
I loved one of mine, which just passed away.
oh yeah.
And the only reason I say that is because I do not drink until I finish eating my food.
Me neither.
If any of you raised like that
It fills you up faster.
in my house, I have to eat my food before I can drink. The person that taught me that was recently gone from us. So now that I'm finishing this food, I thought about it. What's the last one? I don't. Eat it for me.
No, I don't want it.
We'll split it. Please.
I can't. I'm full. I don't know how people eat so much food in videos.
I don't know. They eat so much.
I can't. What's the next one?
I'm done. I'm done. Wait.
It's hot still.
I need to drink of this
Damn. What's all these cards? Oh.
Bullmore Lanes.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. It makes your drink that much more gratifying because it's like being in the desert and being starved, like for thirst.
In the desert.
And then you finally just do like you get that sip right after you finish.
Yeah.
So good. Well, that was our McDonald's run.
Yeah.
Stay tuned because we will be posting our Target haul.
So awkward.
If you like our videos, subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. Tell your friends. Share our videos. Thanks.